Hello everyone and welcome to another English video with Teacher John. In this video we will be talking about exclamations. Ooh, that is a difficult word to say. Exclamations. Can you say exclamations? Let's say it slowly. Exclamations. Exclamations. Exclamations! What is an exclamation? An exclamation is a sentence. It ends with an exclamation point. That's this, an exclamation point. An exclamation shows a strong feeling such as excitement, surprise, or fear. Ah! If you see a ghost, say, ah, look, a ghost. You would use an exclamation point. Okay, because you're so scared. Let's think of a sentence that would not be an exclamation. If something is a little bit hot and you said, "This is hot," would that be an exclamation? No, because it's not a strong feeling. It's only a little bit hot, so we wouldn't use an exclamation. But if it's really, really, really hot, say, "This is hot!" You would use an exclamation point at the end of your sentence, and it would be an exclamation because it's a strong feeling. Here are two examples. Someone broke my chair. It starts with a capital letter and ends with an exclamation point. Oh, excuse me, I had to sneeze. It's an exclamation. Here's another one. There she is. There she is. Capital T, exclamation point. Okay. If on a test I'm asking what kind of sentence is this, all you need to do is look at the end. Oh, there's an exclamation point. It must be an exclamation. It is the only kind of sentence that ends with an exclamation point. Okay, so we have some exclamations down here with mistakes. Okay, every sentence begins with a capital letter, and every exclamation ends with an exclamation point. So let's try to find the mistake. Change my color to white. Number 1, help me! Ah, help me! Okay, you might notice, just like a command, this is missing the naming part, but it uses the secret naming part. Do you remember what the secret naming part is? It is you. You. Help me. Okay? We say this is an exclamation instead of a command because it has an exclamation mark. Every exclamation ends with an exclamation mark. Okay, so let's fix this. Help me! Capital H-E-L-P. Me! Exclamation point. Or exclamation mark. Alright. Cool. Let's go to number 2. I am afraid. Does it have a capital letter? Yes. Does it have an exclamation point? Uh-oh, no, it doesn't. So let's write this correctly. I am afraid. I am afraid. Ah! Exclamation point. Good. Okay, number 3. I must run home now. Does it have a capital letter? Yes. Does it have an exclamation point? Uh-oh, no, it doesn't. So let's write it correctly. Right, smaller. I must run home now! Exclamation mark, exclamation point. You can say either one. In the book they say exclamation point. Alright. So, let's review. Capital letter, exclamation point, a strong feeling. Okay, sometimes it will not have a naming part. That is when it's using the secret naming part. You, help me! Ah! Okay, very good. That is my lesson on exclamations. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Bye-bye.